In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation menu in Wix. Whether you're building a new website or revamping an existing one, a navigation menu is crucial for guiding your visitors to different parts of your site with ease. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you have a functional and aesthetically pleasing navigation menu by the end of this tutorial. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to Wix.com and ensure you're using your credentials to gain access. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Wix dashboard where you can see all the websites you've previously created or are currently managing. Next, we need to select the site you wish to work on. Within your dashboard, find the option that says Select and Edit Site. Clicking here will allow you to dive into the editing mode of your desired website. Take a moment to browse through your projects if you have more than one, and choose the one to which you want to add or modify the navigation menu. Once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You should spot an option labeled Design Site. Clicking on this button will bring up a plethora of design choices specific to your website. This area is where you'll not only manage the aesthetics, but also the layout elements, like your navigation menu. After selecting Design Site, we'll proceed by adding elements to your site. These elements are essentially the building blocks of Wix. Look for the option that says Add Elements. This is where the real magic begins. You can add text, images, buttons, and of course menus. In the Add Elements section, navigate to the option that's labeled Menu and Anchor. This brings up various types of menus to choose from: side menus, vertical menus, and our focus today, horizontal menus. This diversity ensures you have the flexibility to choose a menu style that best suits your website's theme and layout. Now select horizontal menus. These are the most common choice for top navigation on many websites, making the site easy to navigate while maintaining a clean look. Once selected, the menu will appear on your site editor, and you're free to drag and position it as needed. Adjust the style to match your site's color scheme, fonts, and design elements to provide a cohesive look. Finally, after making all these changes, it's crucial to save your work. At the top right of the editor, you'll find the Save button. Click it to ensure all modifications are securely stored. Make it a habit to save regularly while editing to prevent any loss of progress. And there you have it. We've successfully navigated through the basics of creating and setting up a navigation menu in Wix. Thank you for following along, and make sure to stick around for more tutorials to perfect your website building skills.